Hi, let me show you how to send a message to a webhook and open a case. So let's grab a webhook. I'm going to call this my webhook. And we're going to accept payloads from this domain. Save that. And we want to open a case. Going to leave this as is, open case. But for the payload expects a JSON object. With a key that's with any key. I'm just going to call it text. And for the value, I want to refer to a value from the webhook. And by default, that's prefixed. Well, first we have to reference this my webhook, and we get that through JSON path here, like that. And by default, this, like all webhook payloads are contained in .payload. And I'm gonna add a key called text. And so that's gonna be the value of the key called text in the payload object of the webhook. And I'm gonna give this some labels. Leave this blank. Sounds good. Looks good to me. And now how do we send a message to the webhook? Click on the canvas, brings us to the workflow panel. Let's select our webhook. And now we need to reference, well, we need to create the object that's webhook.payload.text. So that's a JSON object with text key in here. And our value is just going to be hello world, exclamation mark. Let's try it out, send it. And let's take a look. There we go. Done. Hello world. Your first webhook and your first case. Done. Thanks.